Hi, my name is Dr. Jim Sandberg. I've been a practicing chiropractor for over 20 years and one of the principals of a company called Compliance Medical. Compliance Medical has been offering different products to chiropractors all around the world to help with patients' care. Really excited to introduce you to a product that we've been working with called the MaxPulse. The MaxPulse is a Class 2 medical device that allows us to do cardiovascular screenings on our patients. Cardiovascular disease is the #1 killer in the United States, has been for over 100 years. But as chiropractors, we've never really been able to do anything to help our patients understand cardiovascular disease and what to do about it. You know, 99% of our patients may know their blood pressure, they may know their cholesterol levels, but they really don't know where they stand from a cardiovascular standpoint. We now have the ability to inform our patients with a simple 3-minute test to show them where they're at from a cardiovascular standpoint and actually do something about it. Some of the readings include arterial elasticity, vascular aging, overall cardiovascular health, left ventricle contraction, sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system, that's how it relates to the cardiovascular system, and different stress levels. I've done hundreds of tests on different patients, and every single patient is glued to that screen. They want to know where they're at from a cardiovascular standpoint. One of the best things I like about the MaxPulse is that the information you get from this test is very easy for the clinician to interpret to the patient, and more importantly, for the patient to understand. It's a very visual, easy to explain and understand test for your patients to determine their cardiovascular status. The MaxPulse can be used in a lot of different ways in your office. A lot of doctors use this as part of their initial exam. This will separate you from the other doctors out there. The MaxPulse is also very easy to use. You can literally train one of your staff members to do a test in little as 5 minutes. These have also been used very successfully for patient reactivation, letting your patients know through either emails or calls to come in for a cardiovascular screening. The MaxPulse is a great tool for doing health fairs, for doing corporate wellness, for doing outside screenings. And one of the great things about the MaxPulse is you give your patients a baseline. And whether there's some type of treatment that's given, whether it's exercise driven or quitting smoking or supplementation, you can then repeat the test in 2 to 3 months. And from a cardiovascular standpoint, you can tell them whether it's working or not. Another great way to use the MaxPulse is to integrate it with a product called ProArgi-9. ProArgi-9 is based off of Nobel Prize winning medicine. In 1998, 3 scientists won the Nobel Prize in Medicine for discovering nitric oxide as a signaling mechanism for the cardiovascular system. You can do a baseline on your patients with the MaxPulse, put them on ProArgi-9, and repeat that test in 2 to 3 months later, and you will see measurable changes in a positive way. The great thing about ProArgi-9 is it has a 120-day unconditional money-back guarantee. One of the main benefits of nitric oxide is that it causes vasodilation of the arterial walls, which takes pressure off the heart, helps lower blood pressure, heals the arterial lining, which then again helps lower cholesterol levels, triglyceride levels, normalizes blood sugar levels. You're also going to see a lot of subjective changes in your patients, such as increased energy levels from more oxygen, sleeping better, more energy. ProArgi-9 is also in the 2014 Physician's Desk Reference. On PubMed.gov, there are over 230,000 research articles validating this treatment. One of the great things about using the MaxPulse and implementing ProArgi-9 is now you have 2 revenue streams. When you purchase the MaxPulse, you get more than the MaxPulse. You get a whole training system to help you implement this in your office. That includes training videos, that includes different ads that you can put up in your office, different emails that you can send to your patients, and much more. You know, if you're looking to reactivate old patients, if you're looking to get new patients in the door, if you're looking for another great revenue stream, and more importantly, if you're looking to help your patients not only recognize cardiovascular disease, but help them resolve those issues, then the MaxPulse is a perfect tool for you. If you have any questions, or if you're interested in getting started now, just give us a call.